If you own a GM vehicle from 1988 to 2006 and want to upgrade your audio system, the Barbed Antenna Adapter Kit is exactly what you need. Designed specifically for GM models with barbed antenna connectors, this kit makes adding a CD changer or other external devices with built-in FM modulators straightforward and reliable. What sets this adapter apart is its compatibility with other Metra 60 series harnesses, giving you flexibility when customizing your car's audio setup. Whether you're installing a Sirius satellite radio or integrating a CD changer, this kit provides a clean connection that keeps your sound crisp and interference-free. One user shared their experience installing the adapter in a 2004 Trailblazer. Despite initial worries about the complexity, the kit made the process manageable. After about an hour of carefully disassembling the dash and connecting the adapters, the satellite radio signal came through crystal clear. While AM reception was affected, the overall improvement in audio quality was worth it. Installation is surprisingly user-friendly. The adapter fits seamlessly with your vehicle's existing antenna system, so you won't have to worry about complicated rewiring. Plus, putting everything back together is just as simple, saving you time and frustration during the upgrade. If you're looking for a dependable solution to add an FM modulator or CD changer to your GM radio, this Barbed Antenna Adapter Kit is a solid choice. It's built to work with your vehicle's unique antenna connectors and enhances your audio options without hassle. Worth a look if you want to expand your vehicle's entertainment system without professional help. The kit's proven compatibility and straightforward installation make it a practical addition for any GM owner ready to upgrade their sound experience. Try it when you're ready to enjoy clearer satellite radio and a more versatile audio setup. This adapter kit turns a potentially complicated task into a manageable DIY project, so you can get back on the road with better sound faster. In short, the Barbed Antenna Adapter Kit for select 1988 to 2006 GM vehicles offers a reliable way to connect external devices like CD changers or FM modulators. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in how you enjoy music and radio while driving.